Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this split text that you see on the screen right now. And at the end we'll make a macro so you can reuse it. We'll start out on the edit page. As usual, go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. And leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. Start out with a background. Turn the alpha all the way down. Go ahead and put your playhead at frame 0. Hit the text plus node. Merge it into the background. Put the text you like in it. Put the default text. Pick your font. Set your text size. Tracking and all that. Add -0.2 for the size. I'm going to go to 1.03 for the tracking. With the text tool selected, get a rectangle. Take the width all the way up. Set the center Y to 0.75. Highlight both these. Right click. Copy. Click away right here. Right click and paste instance. Merge it into the background. Select the instance. If you don't know what the instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. The little green line indicates they're connected. Everything over the inspector that's highlighted in green, and even if it is not highlighted, like the invert and the solid, it's still coupled to the original node. We're going to B instance the center. So we'll right click. And D instance. Now we'll take the center Y and go 0.25. So we have the first mask on the top, second mask on the bottom now. Select the merge tool. Take the center X to 1.5. Again, make sure your playhead is on frame 0. Set a keyframe. Go to merge 1. Add a minus sign if I'm at 0.5. And set a keyframe. I'm on a 30 FPS. I'm going to advance 1 second to frame 30. You may have to adjust accordingly. Then merge 1. Take the minus sign out, so it's 0.5. Back to the merge 2. Change the center X to 0.5. Highlight both the merges over your spline. If this isn't the way your spline, pull a button up here that says shrink. Select them. Zoom to fit. And you can either highlight them like that, or hit the select all button. Hit F on the keyboard. Close your spline. We'll see how it looks. Let's add a transform. Select the merge 1 with the transform selected. Shift space and drop shadow. Let's rename this transform. Main controls. Now we'll make the macro. Okay, select these in the order that I do. Hold the control button down. And hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. So. Go to File. Save as group. It takes your macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here is where you're going to make your folder. Save your preset in. I recommend name it a little bit different. If it's exactly the same, Resolve won't recognize it. I just put an underscore between mine to make a difference. So now I'll go find it. You change the color, the text, everything as usual. It moves on vertical, horizontal. Your top shadow options. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.